together with Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano, the Cebuana Charmer, 1, Carlos. Please give it up, Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V, and our junior Pure Energy, JK.
Thank you.
Great job, bro.
Thank you.
You have quite a talent here.
Thank you very much.
Go for it, JK.
Thank
Gary,
you.
thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Great job.
Thank you.
Hey, guys.
Coach Bamboo, how was it watching Mr. Pure Energy and JK?
Before
Thank you.
anything, a big hand, Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V, man. Maraming salamat.
Keep going home.
He's going home. Oh, man, oh, God. That was so fun to see, so fun to watch. JK, great job.
Thank
All
you.
right? Well, first and foremost, gusto magpasalamat sa family mo. I want to say thank you very much sa lola mo and your uncle.
Yeah.
Para sa tiwala nyo. Yes po. Thank you very much po. Thank you for having your faith in me. And thank you, JK, for listening to me. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you for being such a good pupil, student.
What?
You know, may nakikinig ka. Hindi ko alam eh.
What?
Okay, criteria. Why should JK win, right? Why should JK be the grand champion? There is one thing that JK shares with all the guest performers tonight, right? Hindi taas ng boses, hindi lakas, hindi power. It's a different thing, right? It's the one thing he shares with all the performers was, alam niya, he can find the heart, right, of each song. Ang hirap kaya nun. Sa tagal ko na, it's hard to find someone who knows how to find a song. That's such a different talent talaga. And I really think he deserves to be a voice. I mean, Thank you
Thank you.
again. Thank you.
Thank you,
And
Coach.
stop waving at the girls, man. All right?
Thank you very much, Coach Bamboo. JK, thank you very much, bro.
Thank you, Coach.